John is a cleaning operator in a food factory. He needs to follow strict compliance by filling in much paperwork to prove that the work is done. Every shift, John hands over the paper checklists to his manager, Mark. He must manually type over data into their Excel quality audit system to create weekly reports, which are printed and filed in a big cabinet. Periodically, an auditor comes to check their cleaning procedures. This process is time-consuming and tedious. How can we help John and Mark? To start with, John will use FacilityApps and easily swipes tasks as done, or he takes a picture and writes a remark. Then this data goes directly into Mark's quality system, and he will automatically be notified when there is a problem. The auditor gets access from anywhere and anytime to check the procedures with business intelligence reporting. Quality and auditing in the food industry is made easier with FacilityApps.